There is a place in Africa where everything lives in a state of tension. Lions have pushed too far into the swamplands, and they know it. But everything is drawn to this oasis, a paradise in the middle of the desert, the Okavango. It's the most extraordinary river in the world, where water connects everything. To live here is to live dangerously. But the riches are great, and everyone wants a part. This is an unprecedented journey into the Okavango, a pristine sanctuary. It is paradise, not lost, but found.